how AI will transform jobs by 2030. Welcome to the AI Insight. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how AI will transform the job market by 2030. From automation to entirely new types of careers, the future of work is changing fast. Let's explore what AI advancements mean for jobs and what it means for you. One of the biggest shifts we're seeing is automation. Machines powered by AI are increasingly able to perform repetitive tasks traditionally done by humans. For example, manufacturing and logistics are being revolutionized by AI-driven robots and smart machines that can handle complex tasks around the clock. By 2030, it's estimated that over 30% of repetitive manual jobs could be automated, freeing up people for roles that require more creativity and problem-solving. But it's not just physical jobs. Knowledge-based work like data analysis, customer service, and even legal research is also seeing a big impact. AI is helping to analyze massive amounts of data faster than ever before, assisting professionals in making more informed decisions. We're seeing AI-powered virtual assistants manage schedules, answer customer inquiries, and even draft emails, transforming how knowledge workers do their jobs. Now, while some jobs will become automated, AI is also creating entirely new fields. By 2030, roles like AI trainers, ethicists, data scientists, and AI maintenance technicians will be in high demand. These positions will require new skill sets, emphasizing adaptability, digital literacy, and an understanding of AI systems. This shift opens the door to roles that didn't even exist a few years ago. So what does this mean for those entering the workforce or those looking to adapt? Skills in areas like data analysis, machine learning programming, and cybersecurity will be incredibly valuable. But beyond technical skills, creativity, empathy, and critical thinking, things that AI can't easily replicate, will set people apart in an AI-enhanced workforce. With the rise of AI, ethical considerations around employment become more important. Issues like job displacement, wage impacts, and equality need attention as we integrate AI into our workforce. Many companies and governments are now focusing on responsible AI practices, aiming to balance efficiency with fairness. So, will AI completely replace human jobs by 2030? Not entirely, but it will transform them, creating both challenges and opportunities. As we move forward, staying informed and adaptable is key. Whether you're entering the workforce or looking to upskill, understanding AI's role in the future of work will be essential. Thanks for watching the AI Insight. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let us know in the comments what you think about AI's impact on the future of jobs. See you in the next video.